Hey everyone, and welcome to Crazy Art Class with Miss Finan. Today, we will be drawing a realistic cupcake using crayons and cardboard. But if you have some construction paper and some oil pastels at home, that will work great too. Now, I have just used cardboard that was on the back of a box from Target. I also have some that was part of a box that came to my house. And I have this cardboard that was from a box of brownie mix. It doesn't really matter what you have, except you don't want white paper because you're going to be using a white crayon. So you don't want it to be invisible on your white paper. So make sure it's a piece of colored paper or cardboard. Now I'm gonna start out by drawing some simple shapes. And I start out by drawing them invisibly so that I can get a feel for where they will be. The bottom shape is going to be a trapezoid. Doesn't have to be a perfect trapezoid, but you're going to make a line across and then angle the lines upwards. It's okay if you make a mistake. And when you're satisfied, close it at the top. And then for the frosting, we're going to make an arched line. And if you'd like a cherry on top, add a circle and a line. And then if you want your cupcake to be on a table, find the middle of the wrapper and add 2 lines out. Now it does not matter what colors you pick. I'm gonna dump my crayons out here for a second. As long as you follow the technique. You're going to color one layer pretty lightly, like this, all the way across your cupcake. Now I'm gonna speed up my video, but really I'm coloring slowly and evenly. I am not pressing down. We'll get to the background later. Now, one side is gonna be dark and one side is going to be light. We're gonna create value by blending in white to make it light. And this time, you're gonna press down along the edge, but then gently blend it out. You're going to do this on the frosting, the wrapper, and the cherry. To create the shadow, you'll use the black crayon. This time you don't want to press down too much because it's a very powerful crayon. Now we're gonna go back to our original colors and we're not gonna press down too much on the white, but everywhere else we're going to make it really bold and smooth out the colors. You can repeat this step as many times as you want. And then we need to add a shadow at the bottom. You're gonna start at whichever side is the lightest, and you're gonna make a circular shape that stops right where the wrapper meets the other side. To me, it looks a little bit like a Pac-Man shape or a tulip shape, and you're gonna color that in dark. Now all that's left to do is the background. And there you have it, a realistic cupcake with just crayons and cardboard. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.